Hi there, this is Paul at IPD, and I've got Chris Delano's P3XE70 pulled apart behind me because today we're looking at sway bars, or more specifically, sway bar links. I'll go a little bit into what a sway bar does here. This is a sway bar, and it goes under the car and links either side of the car's suspension together. When you lean over in a corner, the sway bar, by virtue of its thickness, acts as a big torsion spring and resists the lean. The sway bar is attached to the body of the car in the middle and to the suspension on either end of it with these sway bar links. Sway bar links are a really frequent culprit for clunking noises. They wear out, especially if you live somewhere where the weather is really bad, with really bumpy roads. And these IPD HD sway bar links we've developed to deal with these sorts of problems. We've got nice blue silicone boots on them as opposed to natural rubber. These stand up to the elements a lot better. They don't break down over time in the same way that rubber does. Inside the joint, we use a special kind of grease called Aqua Shield. It's marine grade, it's ultra tacky, ultra sticky. It doesn't wash out, even if you live somewhere that uses a lot of road salt. On this P3 model, which is a bit on the heavier side, we use larger ball joints as well. Larger ball joint with a greater surface area spreads the shock loads of hitting a big pothole out a lot more. And we also just make these heavier duty too. It's got larger shaft than a stock sway bar link, and we powder coat them so they stand up to the elements better. If you want some of these for your car, you can find both a link to these and to installation videos in the description of this video, or you can pop over to ipdusa.com and check them out there. Thanks very much, and happy wrenching!